Hello, amazing AIS educators. Good afternoon, good evening-ish, and welcome to the hashtag Quarantine Life Day 2. All right, as I was doing some personal reflecting this afternoon, I was wanting to make sure that we are all on the same page with our protocols for staying happy, healthy, and safe, especially when we're on campus. I know that Dr. Capono has sent out 2 recent emails, and there's a link to mask wearing protocols, and then it takes you to the Connecting and Learning site, and there's a lot of reading going on, and I know how busy you are. I know how busy all of us are. So I want to just highlight a few points that I think will keep us all in compliance, but also keep us really safe. And that first one is eating. We need to really make sure that we are eating alone in our rooms. And that, I know that kind of sucks the joy out of some things. And I know many of you want to eat with your students in the cafeteria, and that's just a community aspect type of thing. Your children love it, you love it. I know your intentions are good, but please make sure that you are eating in your own space when you have the time. I know time is harder to find than space because many of you have your own space, but please make sure that you're not eating with your students or with a group of your colleagues. Additionally, please make sure that your masks are being worn at all times unless you are alone and in your own space. Masks are right now just about the number one strategy for us adults on campus to keep ourselves safe. I know we can do this. We have got the remainder of this week, and then we've got next week before we hit spring break for a much needed, much earned rest and break. So please, this evening and moving forward, think about how you can identify a place where you are able to eat alone, not outside with people, but alone in a space or alone somewhere else. And please remember that we're keeping our masks on at all times when we are on campus, unless, of course, we are alone. I know, guys, not a fun type of thing. I'm just super worried for all of you because COVID is really coming back strong amongst our staff, and many of us have been out on quarantine, including myself. So please make sure you're in compliance with those protocols, and as always, stay happy, stay healthy, stay safe. We got this, you got this. I will see you next Sunday. See you then.